If you have issues with always on a display not working properly on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're just gonna go to settings and we can open personalization in order to, of course, find always on display. So the first thing that you can do is simply turn off and turn AOD back on. Sometimes this simple step allows you to solve some of the issues with AOD. Another thing is that, for example, AOD can be deactivated when battery saver is enabled. So if you have battery saver on your phone, then this might be the reason why you don't have AOD, why it's not working at all. So you might want to turn this option off in here, because usually it is enabled by default in order to save the battery, of course. And also you can see that we have this option above for 10 seconds after tapping, which means that AOD will be displayed only for 10 seconds. And it seems that this limit cannot be disabled, but actually there is one way to do so. More precisely, we need to go to About Phone and we need to keep tapping on OS version multiple times until you need to enter the screen lock password, or until you see that you are now a developer. So after entering the password and once you see this message, you want to go back to settings and scroll down to additional settings. And then in here, you should be able to find developer options. Now in here, we're gonna scroll actually all the way down and we're gonna start from the bottom in order to find reset to default values. You want to keep tapping on this option until you see these two options appear. More precisely, this one is the one that we are interested in, turn on system optimization. So in this case, we need to turn this option off, and after 5 seconds, we can press accept. However, keep in mind that with this option being disabled, you may experience some bugs or some visual issues with the phone. So it is definitely a drawback, something that is not really recommended to do. But if you want to have, for example, AOD for longer than 10 seconds, then of course you can easily do so by disabling this feature. There is also another drawback, is that the battery will be drained quite quickly. So you have to keep that in mind. And as you can see, the AOD now is being displayed for much longer than just 10 seconds. It is pretty much it is being displayed all the time. So if you want to have this enabled all the time, then this is what you can do. Now, if you actually don't want to disable system optimization in here, then what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to get AOD. So if we go to the Play Store, you should be able to find a bunch of different apps, of course, especially if you type always on display or something like that. And there is one app in particular that I can recommend you to use, and it is this one, Movies Edge. It has AOD and edge lights, and I'm gonna install this one. However, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. I'm not really telling you to get this one specifically, but it's just something that I have been using myself, and I know that this app works pretty well. So once we install it, we need to select Draw Over Apps, and then from the next screen, we'll have to select Movies Edge. So over here, we need to find it. There we go, and then we need to allow to display over other apps, and then let's go back. Now we're gonna go to AOD, and over here we can find a bunch of different AOD styles that we can use. And it actually has some more personalization options. However, most of the time, these options are actually premium, so unfortunately, we cannot do much unless you actually pay for these options, but still, even if you choose the default style, it looks pretty decent. But besides that, we want to open the settings in here and go to always on display. Make sure that it is on. There are also some permissions that we need to grant. Over here we have the home screen shortcuts that we're gonna turn on. There is also show on lock screen, which we're gonna enable. And also we can choose this one, open new windows while running in the background. There we go. And now this custom AOD feature should be working just fine. I'm not sure why it's still saying that it requests permissions, but it is enabled, so it should be working just fine. Over here, we can also choose when we want to show on screen lock, so it can be always, only while charging, or if you are playing music. You can adjust the brightness, the timeout over here. So let's say I'm gonna switch to 30 seconds, so now instead of 10, we have 30. And yeah, and some other stuff in here as well. And you can also choose how to close the AOD, for example, if needed. and so on and so forth. As you can see, some of these options might still not be accessible. For example, over here we had to grant an access permission, I mean. But yeah, and of course I'm gonna turn off the built-in AOD in this case because we don't need that anymore. We have the AOD from that app. And there we go, we have a custom AOD that we can use. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.